Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. The signal's rough, but you're coming through. No, I'm fine. Really. The blizzard is bad, yeah. Whiteout conditions. I can't see 10 meters beyond the station. But the building's holding. Power's out, with the generators running. Yeah, I've got heat, food, and a good book. Enough of everything to last a few days if I have to. So yeah, I'm good. I'll just wait it out. Once the storm passes and my replacement arrives, I'll head back down into the valley. What is it? Missing hiker? You're kidding me. Really? Now? In the storm? Of course. Of course it had to happen tonight. Alright. Yeah, I'm calm. Tell me the details. Female. Alone. Lost her group. Blue jacket. Last time she was seen was at the crossroads by Rock Castle. Okay. I know that ridge. It's close. I know every damn stone up there. I'll go. Yeah, I'm geared. I'll call you back once I find her. Damn it. I hate this mountain when it's like this. The snow is hitting like needles. I can barely keep my eyes open. But I have to find her. Easy. Don't slip, Ezel. When I fall and maybe break my leg, this will become a disaster for both of us. Okay. This is the crossroads. I can barely see it anymore. But it looks like someone slid down the embankment here a while ago. Careful. So, where are you? Wait, there. Oh shit. Hey, can you hear me? Hello? Nothing. Your eye's cold. Your chest. I can't tell if it's moving. If you're breathing. Hopefully you still have a pulse. Wrist. Nothing. Neck. I'm unsure. Because you're so cold, I can't tell if it's your pulse or mine. I have to take you to the mountain station. I know what the books say. You're not supposed to move someone in deep hypothermia. Cold blood from the limbs can rush back too fast to the heart, cause it to stop. But if I leave you here, you're already dead. Hold on, okay? You're lighter than you look. Now careful again. Step by step. Whoa! Almost slipped. Okay. We're back on the path. The station isn't far. Hang in there. I got you. Just don't leave me now. We made it. I'll lay you down here. First, let's get this stuff off of you. Gloves. Jacket. Boots. There's ice in your hair. You must have been lying out there for hours. I need to check you. Your pulse on your neck. I can't tell. I really can't tell if I feel it. I need to be sure. I'm sorry. I'm going to lay my head on your chest now. I need to take a listen if your heart is still beating. Please. be alive. There it is. It's very weak and slow. No surprise that I wasn't able to find your pulse. But it's there. That's all I needed to know for now. Central. This is Ezel. I found her. She was buried in the snow. She has severe hypothermia. No, she's unconscious. Her heart is beating, but right now she's closer to death than to life. Okay, I understand. No medical team until the storm clears. We'll hold out. I'll try to warm her up. Call me back when the rescue team is on their way. Alright. Now it's just you and me. I've got you. I'm wrapping us in this blanket. There. Oh god. You're so cold. I'm starting to freeze too. But you're in my arms now. Chest to chest. Do you hear that? That's my heartbeat. Steady and strong. I want you to hear it. Follow his rhythm and let it guide you back to life. Just stay with me. I won't let you go. You'll wake up when you're ready. My heart will remind yours how to beat. You're safe. You're safe now.